Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
So how we would create this particular strategy is, once again, we'd be looking at the CDD trading in a particular range. We'd be looking at option premiums that are pricey, which, as we've illustrated right now, they are not particularly pricey based on implied volatility, so this would not necessarily be an appropriate time to create a short strangle. But in the event that we're making some other observations down the road, we're looking at premiums that we consider to be expensive and a pair value that seems to be caught in a range. We would be selling, in this example, the 1 month 106 call option, and because we're looking at 1 month, we'd be looking at collecting 99 cents, and then a 1 month 104 put option trading at 29 cents. So collectively, we'd be selling the call, selling the put, and collecting $1.28 as a credit. Now, our maximum risk in this particular scenario is unidentified, because remember, we're actually selling a naked call and a naked put, and we're responsible for the call option difference as it trades above 106, and we're responsible for the put option difference as it's trading below 104. But of course, we can only be wrong on one side of it, so the risk is really on only one side of this transaction. Now, our margin requirement in this case would be considered 10,377, and this just happens to be the margin requirement that Options Express is asking for based on the calculations. And I'm just simply using this as a point of reference. Recognize that your margin requirement may vary from broker to broker, but the idea is that you're going to have a certain amount of cash in your account in order to participate in this move. So it's really, you can look at this particular strategy as the ability to generate a certain amount of income over a certain period of time. You can see that really it's not all that attractive right now because option premiums are relatively low. But think about it, if you were looking at options that were pricey, and maybe you could get $2 for this pair. Ultimately, looking at enjoying a 2% return on your capital versus simply a 1.28%. But anyways, at the end of the day, the upside break-even point, there still is a break-even point to this trade. So it's not like as soon as the pair value hits 106, we start losing money. We simply add the credit we received to the 106 strike, and we see that the break-even point is 107.28. On the downside, we subtract the 128 credit from the 104 strike, and we can see that, in fact, the break-even point on the downside is 102.72. So what this means is if we move forward and we look at a particular chart, as long as the pair is trading within these ranges here, we're actually going to profit from the expiration of those option contracts. You can see here that the transaction requires us to sell both the 106 call and the 106 put, and we would ultimately be collecting the premium. The cost of this, the credit received is $128. Remember, this is just for selling the one call and the one put, but we're required to put up that margin requirement. Now, that being said, once again, we're selling the short call at 106, but you can see that our break-even point is somewhere up above 107, okay, which calculates out to 107.28. You can see that we're selling the 104 puts, but when we calculate our break-even point on that, our break-even point is somewhere down around that 102.72 level. So as long as the pair stays within this range, and you can see that it kind of falls within a nice support level down here and resistance level in here, doesn't matter how much that particular pair moves within that 1 month time frame, as long as it's below these levels here, we're going to make some profit. Ideally, the maximum profit we receive is when the pair is trading anywhere between 104 and 106. And of course, we make nothing if it's at 102. We make nothing if it's at 107 and 28, and we begin to lose outside of that. Recognize, of course, that and typically the concern for the short seller of a strangle when we're looking at it from an equity perspective is, I'm going to have to deliver the underlying security. I have to buy the shares, or I have to short the, sell the shares. And can I get exercised early if one of the sides is in the money? These options are European-style exercise, which makes them great for these income-generating strategies. You don't have to worry about early assignment on either side of the transaction, and of course they're cash settled, meaning that you have to only put up the difference between the strike price and the underlying security. So, in other words, because you've sold short, let's say, for example, you sold those 104 puts. Well, typically, if the underlying security was in the money on expiration, that means you have to buy the underlying security at the strike. In the case of these FX options, the position is simply cash settled. You receive no shares. You just incur the loss based on the difference between the strike prices. So this is certainly an interesting way that you can more or less reverse these strategies. So you can reverse the long strangle from one that is a particularly based on low volatility and a directional bias, and you can flip it around and make it a short strangle and capitalize on high implied volatility and a stock in a currency pair that is particularly range bound. Once again, there are some considerations that we have to take in mind. Which strategy is right for you is, of course, going to be dependent upon your objectives. Do you think that the pair is going to make a significant move in one direction or another? If so, you're going to go long a straddle or a strangle. If you think it's going to consolidate within a certain a particular range, then you may want to look to sell that particular strangle and generate some cash flow.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.